an update on the little cardinal babies, but you hear them? Those are the mom and the dad. Let's take a look at them. That's a little cardinal baby. We call them redbirds over here in South Carolina. And the other noise you hear is she's warning me to get away from her babies. So if you hear a mockingbird making that noise, it's either some predator near it, most likely a cat or a snake. Right down here is the mockingbird babies. I'm going to see if I can show them to you. There's the mockingbird babies. Both the parents waiting to feed the babies. They're both sitting there with bugs in their mouth.